In this video, I get a little bit closer and personal with ChatGPT, asking some personal questions and see how it will answer those. Let's look at them together. So the first question I asked was to tell me a computer joke. And of course, the computer joke was, yeah, very interesting, as you can see. And then I asked, so this was the response for the computer joke. And then I asked, what are your hobbies? Right? And these were the responses that was generated there. And the next question I asked ChatGPT was, do you have feelings and emotions? And sure enough, it said that, well, I don't have feelings, emotions, and subjective experiences for obvious reasons. We agree with that. Then I asked ChatGPT, what is your real name? And the answer was, as an AI model developed by OpenAI, I don't have a personal name. Just refer to me as ChatGPT or assistant. Okay, cool. And the next question was, how old are you? And it says, I am an AI language. I don't have any age like humans do. Okay, so yes, I agree with that. And I gave a true or false question here. So true or false, I am not a human. And then it replied, I cannot determine your identity by just the information or solely the interaction that you have here, which is very, very smart. So I said, great answer. The next thing, it replied, thank you. And of course, I just put in a smiley face there. And yeah, so that was our real personal conversation. So, this is a great, great technology, a great tool, and you can actually utilize this in many different scenarios. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos in which I will show you some of those very practical use cases, and you can see some of my previous videos that would have showed you some other information that can guide you in utilizing this great tool. All right, so thank you for watching once again, and go ahead and hit that notification button if you have already subscribed. If not, then what are you waiting for? All right, please support my effort by subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.